Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show to you how to file your EI bi-weekly report online. But before that, you need to have this SIN number and your access code before starting. Okay, so let's dive in.
Okay, so let's start to do the bi-weekly reporting. So in here, we are going to, in the Google, let's type the EI bi-weekly report and then enter. So in here, we can see Internet Reporting Service. So we can click on this. So before you begin, we can read this one here, completing your report, works and earnings. And then we'll go down here and click on continue. So we will put the SIN number and then our access code and select our province. So I'll put Ontario. So now we click on I accept and then questions like, have you moved, changed your mailing address, or changed the banking information you provided for direct deposit purposes? So no, click on no and then continue. So in here, she just asked if that's really our answer. So put on I accept and then were you outside Canada between Monday during this report? So no, so click on no. Continue, and then you review your answer here. So we'll just put on accept. Are you self-employed? So no. So did you work or receive any earnings during the period of this report? No. So let's continue. So in here you review again your answers if they are all correct, and then if yes, then click on I accept. So, did you attend school or training during the period of this report? So, yes. And then click on continue. Did you attend school or training course during the week of this report? So, yes. And then continue. Did you or will receive a training allowance from any source for this first week of this report? No. Click on continue. Did you attend school or training during the week 2 report? So, yes. Click on continue then. So, did you work or will you receive training allowance from any source for the second week of this report? So, no. And then click on continue. So, you will review all your answers here. And if you think they are all correct, then click on I accept. If not, start over the training. Okay, so next question is, when you ready, willing, and capable of working each day, Monday through Friday, during each week of this report? So yes. So review your answers and click on I accept. Is there any other money that you have not previously told us about? So no. Click on no and then click on continue. And then review your answers, and if it's correct, then click on I accept. So now report record and attestation. So you correct everything, your answers, and now if everything is okay, then click on I accept. If not, you can start the report over if you think there are mistakes. So click on accept. And there you go. There's a confirmation Let's say this confirm that your report for the period ending Saturday, May 23, 2020 has been successfully received. You do not need to contact us to check that we have received your report. So there's a printable version that you can print it if you want. So when you need the information about your claims, such as your payment information, you can check your My Service Canada account. So now we are done. So we can click on log out. So we are done with the reporting. And then you can see here for your next report, you can file your next report on Saturday, June 6, 2020. So it is important to file your next report within 3 weeks of this date. Otherwise, loss of benefits may occur. So you must write down you need to take note of the date on your next report so that you will not miss it. So now that we are done, we can click on log out and we're done.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. God bless everyone.